What's up, guys? This is Chip Child doing his own thing. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'd like to show you how to adjust your headlamp on Toyota Prius 2014. A couple weeks ago, I had a wreck on my driver's side of the car and lost the headlamp. Finally, job is done, but it needs to be adjusted. Before it gets dark here, I'll show you what to adjust, and it will be seen obvious. So let's see. So I'm gonna pop the hood up, and you will need to have 8mm socket wrench. I think is the best result coming out. So you have that, and Phillips head screwdriver. Pop up the hood, and you will have, looking on the left side right here, hood. So you see like this socket, this one, that's on the passenger side. On the driver's side also there's a one socket that would be 8mm. So you're gonna adjust that left and right, tighten it or loosen it. So the right side is more clear because I just had a repair done hitting deer, and this side a little hazy. So alright, we got headlamp on. You see there's a rise. So if you're not going right, if you tighten it, it'll go up. On the drive side, passenger side, should be the same way. So the passenger side is much more struggle because there's a hose to the coolant reservoir tank. So you'll find out here. And you will work with a screwdriver as well. Just little. Make sure it's not that bad. I think this side is better on the. Yep. Actually, this side is passenger side is much better. The screwdriver. All right. So I hope my video was helpful to adjusting your headlamp on Toyota Prius 2014. Maybe it helped other trims as well, or maybe all kind of cars. Anyways, hit like and subscribe. Chip Charlie could be useful sometime in the future.